Hi guys, I'm Prashanti and you're watching Cook with Prashanti. Today I'm going to tell how to make instant rava dosa without curd and a dosa recipe without fermentation. I have already shared a short video showing one way of how to pour batter for perfect rava dosa on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. In Instagram it crossed 30k views. If you are not following me, do follow. I will be very much happy. So without further delay, let's get into the recipe. First, you need to take a mixing bowl. In that, take 1 cup of semolina or suji, 1 cup of rice flour, and half cup of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of finely chopped cilantro, 2 to 3 sprigs of finely chopped curry leaves, 1 inch ginger finely chopped, 1 big size chilli, green chilli finely chopped, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and give it a mix. Now to this we will add 4 cups of water gradually. First add 1 cup of water and give it a mix and add the second cup. Make sure that there are no lumps in the batter. Add 4 cups in total and let it rest for good 20 minutes. While the batter is resting, we will finely chop onions. If you want, you can add grated carrot and beetroot as well in this recipe. Here the measuring cup must be same or of equal size which you are using, and you can always check the description for the recipes, ingredients and their quantity. So after it is soaked for 20 minutes, we will turn on the flame and place a dosa pan or tawa. Here I am using non-stick dosa pan and heat it for 2 minutes on medium to high flame. And before pouring the dosa, I will be mixing it for 30 seconds. You need to follow this step for each dosa before pouring it on the pan. So once it is heated, we will sprinkle finely chopped onions on the dosa pan. Here you can sprinkle some grated carrot and grated beetroot as well and pour the batter. You must make sure that you don't make the dosa too thick by pouring huge amount of the batter. You need to keep it thin so that our dosas will be nice and crisp. You can see how I am pouring the batter. You need to pour it the same way. You can see that there are holes in between, and once all the batter is dried, we will pour oil to that dosa and cook it for good 2 minutes. Once the dosa turns little brown, we will flip it to the other side and cook it for 30 seconds and again flip it. Our rava dosa is ready to be served. I hope you like this recipe. If yes, do let me know in the comment section below. You can serve it with tomato or peanut chutney. It would taste great. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries or recipe request, Please let me know in the comment section below. This batter serves 8 to 10 dosas of medium size. I hope this video was helpful. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye.